Assalamualaikum and hello. Welcome to our video slide presentation for subject BMM 4813 Ergonomics. In this project, we need to form a group and we as an ergonomist are given the task to assess the risk of using rebar and ruler. Ergonomics provide the guiding principles and specifications according to which tools, machine, work procedures, and workplace are designed for safe use. Ergonomic deficiencies in the workplace may not result in immediate body pain, but over time the body's ability to adapt fails, resulting in muscular disorders. Ergonomic should be seen not as a finding problems, but rather as giving solution to the problems and can be applied to any industry. Recently, maintenance group in UMP get many complaints from students due to the blackout during class hour. After get so many complaints, maintenance staff who is on duty directly going to check up the distribution board. But during the checkup, it has awkward position which can cause body pain due time taken off troubleshooting. There are several awkward positions from the maintenance body such as shoulder raised and abducted, neck in extension position, and tiptoe in a long time. For this study, the awkward position of UMP maintenance workers had been observed and analyzed. Therefore, the objective of this study is, first, to study about ergonomics risk factors focusing maintenance workers' body posture. Second, to apply an ergonomics method rapid upper limb assessment ruler and rapid entire body assessment rebar on the case study. And the third is to propose an improvement and conclusion of the case study by using RELA and RUBA.
From the discussion of this project, in this study, we have applied rapid upper limb assessment ruler and rapid entire body assessment rebar to analyze the awkward position of UMP maintenance staff during work. The figure shows the awkward posture of UMP maintenance staff during work. After the total score of ruler and rebar has been analyzed and calculated, we can come to some conclusion and improvement if necessary. So we will see the video of the UMP maintenance staff. From the video, we can see that the posture of UMP maintenance staff is very risk and we can need some improvement for their posture walking.
Okay, for ruler, they have two parts, which is A and B. For the A, arm and wrist analysis, and then B, neck, trunk, and leg analysis. So we started with arm and wrist analysis. So they have a few steps. For the first step, locate upper arm position. So based on our cases, we choose +4, and then we add +1 if shoulder is raised, and then we add we add another +1 if upper arm is abducted. So the upper arm score we got 6. So move to the second step, which is locate lower arm position. We choose +2. So if either arm is working across midline or out to side of body, we just add +1. So the score for lower arm score, we got 2. And then step 3, locate wrist position. We choose +3. If wrist is bent from midline, we just add +1. So the score, wrist twist score +1 and wrist score +3. And then move to the fourth step, wrist and twist. If wrist is twisted in mid-range, we choose +1. And if wrist is at or near end of range, we choose +2. So move to the step 5, look up posture score in table A. Using value from step 1 until 4 above, locate score in table A. And then step 6, add muscle use score. If posture mainly static, or if action repeated occurs 4 times per minute, we choose +1. Move to step 7, add force or load score. For our cases, they have no load, so we just choose +0. And then step 8, find row in table C. Add value from step 5 and 7 to obtain wrist and arm score. Find row in table C. So for the posture score A, we got 8 plus muscle use score +1, and then plus load score 0. So the total wrist and arm score, we got 9. So move to the section B, which is neck, trunk and leg analysis. Step 9, locate neck position. In our study, we choose +4. If neck is twisted, we choose +1, and if neck is side bending, we choose +1. So the neck score is +5. Step 10, locate trunk position. We choose +1. If trunk is twisted, +1. If trunk is side bending, +1. So the trunk score for our cases, +1. Step 11, leg. If leg and feet are supported, +1. If not, +2. But in our cases, they have no supported between a pair of leg, so we choose +2. Leg score 2. And then step 12, look up posture score in table B. Using values from step 9 until 11 above, locate score in table B. Step 13, add muscle use score. If posture mainly static, held more than 10 minutes, or if action repeated occurs 4 times per minute, we choose +1. Step 14, add force or load score. So they have no load, we choose +0. Step 15, find column in table C. Add value from step 12 until 14 to obtain neck, trunk and leg score. Find column in table C. So to total out, posture B score, we got 7, plus with muscle use score, we got 1, plus force or load score, we got 0. So the total neck, trunk and leg score, we got 8. So the ruler score based on table C, from the row, the ruler score we got 7. Because based on ruler score, we can conclude that investigation and implement change needed to improve the working posture of UMP maintenance staff. That's all for me. Thank you.
We continue with rapid entire body assessment, REBA. It also have 2 parts. The first one is neck, trunk and leg analysis, and the second part is arm and wrist analysis. The first step, locate neck position. we choose +2, and if the neck is side bending, we +1. So the net score is 3. The steps 2 is locate trunk position. We choose the +1. For the step 3, leg, we choose +1 and 8 +2 because the leg is bending more than 60 degree. So the leg score is 3. Step 4, lock up position score in table A. Posture score A is 5. We move to step 5, add force or load score. We choose 0. So the step 6 is score A, find row in table C, which is 5. So we move to the second part, arm and wrist analysis, and the 7th step is locate upper arm position. We choose +4, and plus if the shoulder is raised +1, and if the upper arm is abducted +1. So the mark for upper arm position score is 6. Step 8 is locate lower arm position +2. So the lower arm score is 2. Step 9 is locate rise position +1. So the score 1. Step 10 is look up posture score. The posture score in table B is 8, and 8 coupling score. Acceptable with another body part +1 coupling score. And for the step 12, we combine the posture score B and coupling score. The score for score B is 9. The last step is activity score. We choose +1. One or more body part are held for longer than 1 minute starting, and +1 for action cause rapid large range change in posture or unstable base. Table C score is 9 and plus with activity score 2. So the total REBA score is 11. Based on REBA score, we can conclude that the working posture of UMP maintenance staff are very high risk and need implementation change.
As a conclusion, we are able to study about the ergonomic risk factor by focusing on maintenance worker body posture. Then we also apply an ergonomics method, which is rapid upper limb assessment (RULA) and rapid entire body assessment (REBA) for the case study. We concluded that the working posture of the maintenance staff are very high risk and need implementation change. Finally, we propose an improvement for the maintenance worker body posture so that it can be more ergonomic when doing their work. For the recommendation, first, use ladder to get similar height to the workstation without need too much movement with crucial parts such as neck, trunk, leg and arm while doing work. With supported item like ladder can minimize score for RULA and REBA. Second, use safety helmet to protect the head against falling objects and the side of the head, eyes and neck from any untoward impact, bumps, scrapers and electrical exposure.